and a very good morning to everybody. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. I would like to say thanks to Director Ghulam Nabi sir and a lot of thank you so much to dear Sangeeta ma'am who gave me a wonderful chance to speak in front of you. So my name is Shamim. I am from Chamandot, Kopaganj. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English Kopaganj branch. I am the student of morning batch. Global Spoken English is the best guider of English language. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on a very beautiful and fantastic topic on challenge of life. But before starting my speech, I would like to say something. कोशिशों के बावजूद हो जाती है कभी हार, कोशिशों के बावजूद हो जाती है कभी हार, होके निराश मत बैठना मन को अपने मार, बढ़ते रहना आगे सदा हो जैसा भी मौसम, बढ़ते रहना आगे सदा हो जैसा भी मौसम, पा लेती हैं मंजिल चींटियां भी गिर गिर कर हर बार. So let's get start my speech about challenge of life. Challenges are the obstacles that we face in our daily life. They are what makes life interesting and exciting. Challenges can be seen as a part of life and everyone has their own challenge. Some people have big challenge and some people have small. Challenges are the opportunities that are not only faced by the human race but also by businesses. They can be seen as barriers that hold back to progress and innovation. Challenges are the opportunities because they provide an opportunity to learn, grow and improve. Challenges can be seen as barriers when it prevents progress and innovation from happening. Challenges are a part of life. It can be small or large, but they are always a part of life. Whether it's something small like getting over a breakup or something larger like being laid off from your job. Challenges are always there to test our resilience and strength. We need to have a solid mental state. The first step is to not feel sorry for yourself and focus on what you have going for you instead of what you don't have. You should also take the time to reflect on how far you have come and how much progress you have made before moving forward with your plan. The second step is acknowledging that it's okay not to know the answer. In fact, it's better than that. It means that there is still hope for finding the answer or solution for some point in time. Just make sure that you keep trying until then. When faced with any type of challenge, there are three things that you should do. The first one is take a deep breath and focus on what you can do to succeed. The first step is acknowledging that there is something that you need to change in order for you to succeed. Sometimes this is as simple as changing your mindset or taking action. The second one is take the time out of your day to take care of yourself. This might mean going for a walk outside or scheduling some time for yourself in your schedule so that you can recharge and focus on what matters most in life. The third one is find others who are facing the same challenge as you and find ways to connect with them so that they can support each other through their struggles. Really, life is full of challenges and surprises. I would like to say something. टूटने लगे हौसले तो याद रखना, टूटने लगे हौसले तो याद रखना, बिना मेहनत के तक तो ताज नहीं मिलते. ढूंढ लेते हैं अंधेरों में मंजिल अपनी, ढूंढ लेते हैं अंधेरों में मंजिल अपनी, क्योंकि जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते. I want to say something to you all. If you are not able to speak English, then what are you waiting for? Join Global Spoken English for improve your personalities and develop speaking skills. I wind up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.